In this video, I am going to guide you on how to change your username in the 13 Caps app step by step. You will learn how to update your profile details quickly and easily within the app settings. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the 13 Caps app on your mobile device. 2. Log into your account using your registered details. 3. Tap on the menu icon or profile icon located at the top corner. 4. Select the profile or account option from the menu. 5. Look for the username or name field within your profile settings. 6. Tap on it and enter your new desired username. 7. Save the changes by tapping the save or update button. 8. Confirm that your new username is displayed correctly on your profile. Now your username has been successfully updated in the 13 Caps app. Make sure to keep your profile details accurate for a better experience.